Catch the word? Speak like a pro. Perseverance. 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 Meaning, continued effort to achieve something despite difficulties. Example: with perseverance he finally completed his research project. Question: can you share a time when perseverance helped you succeed? Comment down. Brighten your English with idioms. Throw in the towel. Meaning, to give up or quit. Example: after several failed attempts, he finally threw in the towel. Question: do you think it's always bad to throw in the towel? Comment down. Hope this video taught you something useful. What new word or idiom did you learn? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.